Hey y'all, your favorite nerdy girl is back, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and I'm back with another Dollar Tree haul with all these new goodies. And in case you don't know, perhaps not nationwide, but in most New York City branches, it's been um, it's been made aware to its customers that it's no longer a dollar; it's now $1.25. So take that into account that now because of the circumstance and the economy now it's $1.25, but still nonetheless, even if it is $1.25, you are getting a good amount of stuff that will help either in your DYI'S or just your decorative purposes or whatnot, gift giving. It's still worth the buck. So stay tuned for the goodies that I found today, y'all, and we will be right back. Now let's just review the mundane, which is the traditional stuff that you can find, which are handy in the house. You can't have enough canned goods. It's always good to have in storage. We just don't know. And they have a great collection of canned goods, and this is their Green Giant line. I appreciate their fruits and vegetables. They have a number of pineapples and mangoes, but I also appreciate their veggies, and it always complements a nice salad. So their Green Giant cut green beans, I picked up a can, and their sliced beets. Also, this is new too. I don't know if it's part of their new logo, but it's just letting you know that it has no preservatives and non-GMO, which is always great to look out for. Not bad. These are also new in their I guess healthcare aisle, I would say. Like next to their beauty products, they have this. They have a number of vitamins and cold flu medicine and sore throat lozenges. And so I came across this new brand, Coralite, and it's their pain relief balm, extra strength. It's temporarily relief of minor aches and pains due to simple backache, arthritis, strains, bruises, sprains. I mean, a number of things. And this is their ultra strength. Yeah, I thought it was a good product. And believe it or not, even though it's a dollar, it's usually a lot more expensive in other retail stores. And what happens, I think, is that they get marked down because either they didn't sell or weren't a fan favorite. So nonetheless, I thought this was a good find. So I picked up one for myself and a family relative. This was cute too. Juncture has a number of great products coming out, especially now for the winter time, and they have like from like school supplies, school clothes, socks, whatnot. And I love their glove selection. So I picked up a pair. This one in particular is 2 for 1, not bad, and it comes in this nice burgundy wine color and your traditional black. So again, also if you're looking for stocking stuffers and you want to go more on the stay warm side, this was a great find. Also, I love their deodorant, their secret line. This is their powder fresh, not bad. And how many ounces? 1.5 ounces, not bad. Again, I had to pick up another 2 pair packs of they're alkaline batteries. It's always good to keep handy. I picked one up in AA and AAA, and it's by their E-Circuit line. Not bad. This brings 6. I think it's 6 per package. Yeah, 6. And remember my last haul, I had already taken the packaging off. But yes, this honestly does wonders, especially when I'm organizing. And it's by their Essentials line. I didn't remember the brand name. But yes, again, comes in handy for storage and organization and protects against whatever you may use it for. 3 in a pack, 3 large ones. If you see them, grab them, because I don't know if they're having issues with distribution or whatnot. But they're very helpful, and they also have extra large and I believe extra large. But I picked up a large, so now I have about 9. They're really great. Another roll of napkins. This is always great. I love this particular item. I don't know if it's now necessarily called paper towels. Maybe it may be, but that's the only brand I see. Or it's just the brand you pick up at Dollar Tree. But again, 140 sheets, not bad. Now for the fun stuff. Picked up another coffee mug. It's so cute. Perfect for the season. Let's get cozy. Has little mini marshmallows. The pattern is in front and in back with a nice little pretty handle. Not bad for $1. Well, $1 and change. I picked up a cinnamon sugar from their Supreme Tradition brand, 5.75 ounces. And I thought this would be ideal because guess what? I bought another DYI ornament, which you can, fill up with whichever items you want. Hershey chocolate kisses. And I thought since it's a gingerbread, if you could tell, with my flashlight isn't blinding y'all, it's a little gingerbread. So I thought, hey, that's perfect for the coffee bar I'm already doing, and I'll just fill him up with cinnamon sugar, which would go great for any hot cocoa or coffee. Now this little guy is new. This was a really cute ornament, and he's heavy, I will say. Santa Claus holding a wreath and a bell and his toy bag full of presents and a candy cane. He's really heavy, really pretty. And he comes with this little hook. So I'm going to see where I place him. And maybe I can hang some stockings from this little hook. We'll see. But I just thought he was adorable for $1. And look at that nice red suit. Picked up another bunch of poinsettias. And it's the nice felt ones with a nice little felt material, which is great for wreaths that I'm thinking of creating. Also came across these new 2 pretty bows. This also has a very felt material, and it's 2 bows in one, but the second bow isn't really a bow. It has like a bunch of strings. But it's the same material, this nice plush red with gold accents, and this one's just a nice royal blue, really pretty. So I picked up 2 of these. Also came across more lights. You can't have enough lights, honestly. And these are 5 feet long for indoor use. I believe it's also, you need an outlet. So this is a great find. And I came across from my snow globes, mini trees by their Crafter's Square. Brings 8 pieces. Not bad. So there's that. And from their Crafter's Square, color your own ornaments. So this is going to come in handy. I might spray paint these. These are great. 8 pieces in a pack. Also came across this nice table setting. Flannel back tablecloth. And I like it because it's an oblong, which is the type of table I have. So this is going to come in handy. May save this for Christmas, or I may even use it for Thanksgiving. Not sure, or both. Not bad for $1 and change. Speaking of Christmas cheer, came across this too for today. This nice, lovely little cookie container with Santa Claus and snowmen and penguins all over it. Really pretty. And lastly, we have these gift wrapping paper, which again is the buffalo check, which I'm in love with. I might use this as background for a DYI, and they're ornaments that come in glitter and just your standard gold and nice glassy red, velvety red. And yeah, that's it for now, y'all. These are the great finds and great new finds I was able to find at Dollar Tree, and stay tuned for my DYIs that are coming up. If you like what you see, give us a like, leave us a comment down below, hit the subscription button and notification button so you can be alerted of my next upload, haul, review, whichever I decide to put up. So until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.